welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we are going to make the chef's secret beef Demi Glace. And through the miracle of time and space continuum, we are going to go back and I'll show you how we start. So I'm making beef glace again, and we have some amazing dino bones for short ribs. Here is a banana for scale. They are huge, and my hand as well. This was a very, very large bovine. Alright, beautifully roasted at 320 degrees for about 2.5 hours. These things are ready to make the Demi Glace. Okay, many a day has gone by, and we've progressed in time, and now we're actually going to make the Demi Glace. So there's all the meat. Pulled it up from the deep freezer. Let's continue. To that, we're going to add onion, a whole celery, some carrots, and this is optional, cleaning out the fridge, and I got these leftover herbs. That's thyme. We got rosemary, and I found some sage, so can't go wrong with that. Once we got this baby boiling vigorously, we're going to turn it down to medium and keep it at a low boil, for many hours. Stay tuned. 2 hours in, looking good. At the 4-hour mark, we want to fish out all the vegetation as much as possible because they're starting to disintegrate, and we can still fish them out whole. After 6 hours of boiling, we set it off to the side to cool down so we could skim off as much of the fat as possible. Then we drained it through cheesecloth and a colander. So all we have here is now that wonderful liquid. We've chucked all the solids out, and we're going to continue reducing. Alright, so this is reduced about right. You can see how it's starting to coat the spoon. It'll coat the back of the spoon, and you can see there's some solids scraped up from the bottom already. This stuff is Demi Glace. So let's pour it in the container and cool it off. Alright, so it's been in the fridge for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and it's smelling awesome. You can see a skin has formed in there. There's nothing wrong with that. All that gelatin and cellulose. And you can see how luscious this liquid is. This is about a little over a cup and a half maybe. This here is enough for 2 full recipes. It is absolutely delicious. You notice I did not add any salt to it. You add your salt in the recipes you're making. But this is the chef's magic, folks. It's delicious. Let me go ahead and try this and give a quick description. Oh, wow. That is beef concentrate. Beef Demi Glace, people. Thanks for watching.